Me and him, we grew up together, and I'm an only child, but I consider him as my brother. Best friends for life, yeah, we'd always have each other, because if you had one of us, you'd always have the other. We used to shoot hoops in the driveway, jumping on the trampoline, thinking we could fly away. We used to watch cartoons every Saturday, but now things just aren't the same. It all began when we were freshmen, got invited to a party and he accepted. When everybody started drinking, he joined in, and one thing led to the next, and then a few weeks later he got offered some weed. What's up, man, try this. And he agreed. He started getting high quite frequently. He told me he would stop, but talk is cheap. Before he knew, he had become addicted. He couldn't live a life without drugs in it. Beer and weed started affecting his decisions. His life started swerving on some impaired visions. Quit going to school, claimed it was a waste of time. His dad kicked him out. He said, "Boy, you lost your mind." Forced out of his house and onto the streets. He started stealing food because somehow he had to eat. I screamed and I pleaded him to just give it up, but the more that I begged, the more beer filled his cup. I told him throw away that bag of weed, but the more I said that, the more he seemed to need. I had a dream the other day I could control the hands of time, that I hit rewind and everything was fine. Took it back to the days we didn't know what alcohol even was. You weren't high or getting a buzz. We were sitting on the swing set when we first met, best friends till the end, I won't forget. And we were shooting hoops in the driveway, we were jumping on the trampoline, I swear that we could fly away. Spending all our lunch money at the arcade, we were watching cartoons on a Saturday. Life was back to normal, everything was fine. So proud of him for leaving drugs and alcohol behind. I told him welcome back and I opened my arms up, but the moment we embraced was the moment I woke up.